Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our second lesson, fractions and decimals, with the point addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. In our last lecture we have addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay, and now today we are going to do that addition and subtraction of unlike fractions and addition and subtractions of mixed fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, so see your first point, addition and subtraction of mixed of unlike fractions. Okay, last time I explained you that what we have to do here, but today we are going to solve by using one example. So see, your example is do the addition of 7 upon 12 plus 3 upon 11, addition of unlike fractions. The denominators are different, so these are the unlike fractions. So here we have to follow the two steps. First of all, if you have the unlike fractions, you have to convert them into a like fractions, and then you have to do their addition, otherwise subtraction. Now, how to convert that unlike fractions into the like fractions? So for that, you should have to find out the LCM of whatever the denominators are given. So LCM of 12 and 11, that you have to find out. See, I told you that, write down the example as it is, plus 3 upon 11. Now, that LCM of 11 and 12, lowest common multiple. So, lowest common multiple of 11 and 12, you know how to find out. Okay, first of all, you have to write down the factors of 12, factors of 11, then you have to find out the LCM. But orally now you can find out that LCM, it's a LCM of 11 and 12 is 123. So LCM, I have just 132. So LCM of 11 and 12, because you are just doing in short that cross multiplication as I told you, we just multiply that 12 by 11 and that 11 by 12. So therefore 7 multiplied by 11 upon 12 multiplied by 11 plus 3 multiplied by 12, 11 multiplied by 12. So therefore 7 multiplied by 11, 77, 12 multiplied by 11, it's a 12 ones are 12, 1 will be carried out, 12 ones are 12 plus 1, 13. So it's a 130, not 120. Okay. C plus 3 multiplied by 12, 36 by 130. Now these two fractions are like fractions. You know how you are going to add these like fractions. So 77 plus 36, common denominator 32 is equal to 77 plus 36. 7 plus 6, 13. 7 plus 3, 10 and carried 1, 113 upon 132. Okay. So, whatever the fractions at last you will get, if you simplify, then you have to simplify. Otherwise, if you can't simplify this fraction, so let it be. See, 113 and 132, we can't simplify, so your answer is completed here. The next example that we are going to solve, and it is of subtraction. How we can do the subtraction of unlike fractions. And the example is 4/15 minus 2/9. So see, again we have to use the method to find out the LCM. So first of all, 15 and 9. Okay, you know that 15 and 9, you have to find out the first LCM. So 4/15 LCM of 9 and 15. So which is the lowest common multiple of 9 and 15? So it's 45. Is 45. That means you have to make your denominators 45. 15 3s are 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, whereas 9 5s are 45. So here what you have to do, look at carefully. You have to multiply that first fraction by the 3 to the denominator and numerator also. See, numerator and 15 minus 2 multiply that. Here denominator you have to write down 45, make 45, so 9 5s are 45. So you have to multiply 2 your numerator also by the 5. Therefore 4 3s are 12, 15 3s are 45, minus 2 5s are 10, 9 5s are 45. Now you will get your like fractions. So here 12 minus 10 upon 45. So this is, you will write, otherwise you can mention this example at a downside. 12 minus 10, it's a 2 by 45. Even and odd numbers, so this is already simplified. You can't simplify that further, so let it be your answer as it is. So by this way you have to solve the examples of addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. The steps: first you have to convert your fractions as a like fractions, and then you have to complete it. Now we will take one example of addition and subtraction of mixed fraction with the unlike denominator. You have to do the same thing here, but only one step will be increased. Okay? Addition and subtraction of mixed fractions with unlike denominators. So your example is 6/3/5 plus 2/3/8. So this is the example of addition of mixed fraction with unlike denominators. So you know how to do the addition of mixed fraction, already you have studied it. You have to convert that mixed fraction into the simple fraction. This is your first step. So do your first step first. So 3 5s are first. Write down your example as it is. Okay, the next step, 3 5s are, 5 6s are 30 plus 3, 33 upon 5. 2 8s are 16 plus 3, it's a 19 upon 8. Now you have the simple fraction, but this is the unlike fractions also. So now you have to convert that unlike fractions into the like fractions. Just before we solve an example, here LCM of 5 and 8 is. See, already you have solved such type of the example. Only the one step is increased here, that is you have to convert your mixed fraction into the simple fraction. So LCM of 5 and 8 you check it, so it is a 40. So now, therefore, 33. 5 8s are 40, so it's a 40. So 5, sorry, here also you have to multiply by 8. By the same number you have to multiply numerator as well as the denominator. Plus 19 multiplied by 8 5s are 40. So to the numerator also you have to multiply by 5. So 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 33 multiplied by 88. So it's a 64. 8 3s are 24. So 4 is here. 2 is carried. 8 3s are 24 plus 2 it's a 26. At the denominator 5 is a 40 plus 19 multiplied by 5. So 19 multiplied by 5 it's a 19 5s are 95. Yeah, 40. So 264 plus 95 upon 40. Do that simple addition, you will get your answer. 5 plus 4, it's 9. 9 plus 6, it's a 15. 1 is carried here, so it's a 359 upon 40. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now you can check. Can you further see? Is your answer? It is a proper fraction. So here you can simplify your fraction further. So you know how to, your example is in a mixed fraction form. So you can convert your this fraction, simple fraction, into the mixed fraction. I told you already the method. See, 359 upon 40. You can also read that fraction as it is. Okay, 359 is divided by 40. So you have to solve that 359 40. So by this way you have to find out your final answer. So 40 is a 320. So it's a 930. Further we can't solve that. So that simple fraction now you can write into the mixed fraction. Your question that you have to write at first, okay, as your whole number. Now what is your reminder that you have to mention at the numerator, and your division you have to mention as it is at the denominator. Now your this answer is completed. Okay. So today with the points addition and subtraction of unlike fractions and addition and subtraction of mixed fractions with unlike denominators are completed. Today we are going to stop here. In our next lecture we will continue with the new points. Thank you.